Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to enable new File Explorer Details Pane on Windows 11. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click Start menu. Go to Settings. Click Windows Update. Then click Windows Insider Program. Join Insider Program Dev channel. This video of how to join Dev channel is already uploaded on your channel. You can watch it if you want. Open any browser. Then visit google.com website. Click search bar, then type vivetool v0.3.2. Click enter. Click on the first website link. Scroll down and click on vivetool v0.3.2. Download the zip file. Open the zip folder. Now extract that folder. Click Browse. Select this PC. Then click Local Disk C. Open Windows folder. Then open System32 folder. Click Select folder. Click Extract. Then click check mark. Click Continue. Click Start menu. Click search bar, then type Cmd. Open Cmd Run as administrator. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click enter. Restart your computer. Open this PC. Click the View menu. Select Show. And choose the Details Pane option. Hope you understand. I have a request: if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.